Question 21 is 3 marks. The first part says the curve with equation y equals f of x has one turning point. The coordinates of these turning points are -6 and 9. Write down the coordinates of the turning point on the curve with equation y equals f of 3x. First of all, when you multiply the x part here, the y doesn't change, so the 9 stays. And then whatever this number is, you are dividing that with. So this part here is going to be -6 dividing by 3. So your new point is -2 and 9, and that's your 1 mark for this part. Now part B says the curve C with the equation y equals g of x is transformed to give the curve S with equation y equals g brackets x plus a plus b. The point 4 and -5 on C is mapped to the point 1 and -16 on S. Oh gosh, that's a very nice question. This is amazing. Now I just want you to see what's going on here. Now let's draw x and y. There is some curve and the point 4 and -5 was here, isn't it? Yeah, let's assume this is 4 and -5. So we did some transformation, and this point, let's say this is 4, and this point moved to come to 1 and -16, so it moved here to 1, and let's say this was -5, so -16 is way down there. I'm just putting it here, -16. So the point moved from here to here. You get it? This is what the question saying. Now what should we do then? What happened? What type of transformation is this? First of all, if the graph moves left, that means we did plus for x, right? And if the graph went down, we did minus for y. So this is plus in the x part and minus in the y. So how many steps did this graph move left? From 4 to 1, it went back 3 steps. So that means we did plus 3, right? And then from -5, it went down to 16. That means we went down -11, right? So that's it. They said write the values of a and b. A is 3 and b is -11. Isn't it fun? This is a nice question. Just write it here. A is 3 and b is -11, and that's your 3 marks for this question. Now let's look at question 22. Quadratic simultaneous. That's fun. Let's do it.